10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hustling, 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 hustling.
And check low, relax yourself and let the sugar love flow.
Yeah, I got you. Why?
You need to come and shot and check low, relax yourself and let the sugar love flow.
Yeah, keeps you. Why?
You need to come and shot and check low, relax yourself and let the sugar love flow.
Yeah, I got you. Why?
No doubt, what's up, Detroit? TV313.com, Cypher Chronicles, man. Once again, it's a banger. Signature Saturday, Sweet Georgia Brown, man. My homeboy Bravo celebrating his birthday, Game 7. What up, baby? You good? You good? Doing it big as usual, man. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. You know, I'm down here with Metro Big celebrating my birthday, man. I couldn't do it much better. It's grown and sexy. This is the pinnacle of food, fun, and fashion. Sweet Georgia Browns every Saturday. Catch me Thursday, Saturday at the Grand Central Lounge. If you ain't saying happy birthday to me in person or on the internet, it's not too late. Catch me. I will be next Saturday here, Sweet Georgia Brown. I got my man Bird, my brother
Big Bird, my man Bird. What's up, baby? You all right?
Big shouts out to Metro Big. I'm down here celebrating the life of Bravo. Game 7, one of the head CEOs, me and him on the company. That's how we getting it in tonight. Sweet Georgia Brown is a place to be every Saturday. You see him on the mic hosting it. I wouldn't lie to you.
No doubt. All right, this is what we do, Bravo. It's show day, man. I want you to take Detroit through this spot, man. Show them your people, baby. Shoot.
Yes, sir. You rocking with the life of the rock star right now. Bravo at Game 7 Entertainment. Follow me right quick while I take you to show you some of the hottest women around. I got my man Rico right here.
Damn, man, this motherfucker. What's poppin', dog? Bravo. It's my birthday, too. It's my birthday, too.
Me and Rico birthday. That's how we celebrate here. Grown and sexy, baby. And he has a bad chick on him. Yes, sir. Come on.
Sleepers in the house.
Yes, ma'am. You're not rocking with the best promoters in the downtown Detroit area right now. You got Donnell Macon and Shan Emmett right here.
What's up, real people? Real life, real talk, baby. That's what's up, baby. Shout out to my boy Blanks and shout out to my boy Wolf, baby. Doing it 107 style. Ponce in the building, baby. Real talk. That's how we do it, baby. Check us out Sunday nights, 8 to 10, baby. Sunday nights, baby. That's how we do it. Signature Saturday, Sweet Georgia Brown. Every Saturday, we do the rockstar style with Bravo. You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday, player.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm about to take you to some of the hottest women in the game right now. The ladies of Game 7 is in the building. You have Miss Lucy right here.
Hello, happy birthday, Bravo.
Thank you. And you have Miss Mia right here, a.k.a. Fat Cheek.
Don't call me that, especially on the air. Happy birthday, Bravo.
You have Lady of Connected Entertainment right here, Jay. Lady Jay, say happy birthday to me, please.
Birthday, Bravo, I love you.
Thank you. And also, man, have a kiss on the cheek, man. Thank you. You are now rocking with the best. Life of a rock star every Saturday, Sweet Georgia Brown, Signature Saturdays. Let's take a walk. I'm gonna show you some of the hottest females in here. Show you some handsome men. You know, we gonna rock it out like that. We have Miss Gaylor, Star Status Entertainment. It's an A-list party night.
What's up, y'all? Star Status in the building. Make me nervous. Happy birthday, Bravo. You're hot.
Yes, sir. I want to show you a birthday boy, one-of-a-kind birthday boy right here. If this ain't one of the most famous dudes in the city, he's going to be on stage in 1 year singing in front of 500,000 people year-round.
That's right.
Laureate.
What up, everybody? It's my 24th birthday. I'm here living it up like a rock star. Peace. Shout out to Bravo and everybody else.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is Joy, and it is Joy. Last name Lumpkin. They got fat cheeks like pumpkins. These are two birthday girls here. They celebrating high fashion, high quality, looking very nice tonight, ladies. I want to give a shout out to who?
Toy. No, give a shout out to
Who you giving a shout out
It's our birthday too. It's Stacey.
Stacey, you want to give a shout out to anybody?
Toy and Joy, my friend.
Joy, Toy, and Stacey. They give a shout out to themselves. How wonderful is that? This right here, this lady has been around me for 27 years. This is my sister. Cheers.
What's up? Happy birthday.
She wants to say happy birthday to me. Thank you very much. Like, once again, I'm Bravo, Game 7 Entertainment. I showed you how it is. We have some A-listers, beautiful women, food, fun, and fashion. We are at the pinnacle of it right now. I will catch you guys later. Check me out, www.myspace.com/Game7ENT. Check me out every Saturday here, third Saturdays, Grand Central Lounge. I am in with Metro Big, doing it real big.